Good morning, Kinders and Kinder families. Today is Monday, April 27th. I'm not sure what happened to my previous video. If you received it through email, I'm not sure if it worked, and I couldn't find it again to share it on Seesaw. So, yay for technology on Monday morning. So, I'm just doing a quick record so I can highlight what's new on the distance learning board for this week. So I've kept most everything the same. Miss Sampson's announcements are here. The kids' daily calendar is here. Login information is here. I added all three of Miss Sarah's mindfulness lessons, so if you missed it one week, you can go back and get it again. Wednesday will be our Google Meet wearing our Hawk Pride. Two new things this week. It's Spirit Wear or Spirit Week at Prairie View, and it's Jammy Day. So, friends, you can take pictures of you and your jammies. Your brothers, your sisters can be with you, mom and dad. Take a picture on Seesaw, press the glow button, and I will publish it to the blog, and you can check on the blog later and see all your friends and their fun jammies. We are also starting our kindergarten countdown to summer. Crazy! We have 26 days left together. We're going to start with the letter A. Each day you click on the letter, there's a fun link that will have fun activities, books, movements, and a Seesaw blog activity just for fun. So make sure you check that out every day. For math, we're going to be working on adding objects and pictures to sums of 10. So there's a video, practice pages in your workbook, or you can choose to do the math game, and there's challenge activities this week. You're going to do day one for read alouds and reading, and day one for phonics. There's a Seesaw activity spelling CVC words to complete. Word work is those vowel words. Magic Tree House, there's a chapter to listen to. Science, Social Studies, and Health, we are learning about oviparous animals. If you've never heard what that is, you're going to find out today. You're going to write about them for your journal entry. And one other new thing in our Easy Write writing column is number practice. All right, I just noticed some kids are flipping numbers. That's okay, but let's practice them the easy right way. So I made a quick video for you to watch and practice with. All right, that's Monday the 27th. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. You can reach me on Seesaw email or phone if you need me. I'm here for you. Bye, friends.